Hello everyone, welcome to the class students. Anjali, Kamalikar, Kriti, Adish, Pushkar. Okay, so let everyone join the class. So in present class, I'm going to explain you how to make the notes, the best notes, and what and all the things that you should be avoiding while making the notes. New student, hi Pushkar. Pushkar was new. You're old, right? I am familiar with the name Pushkar. So let's get started. So if anyone is new, let me introduce myself. I'm Vindhya. Will be taking a biology in this particular category, J Foundation, J NEET Foundation and NTSC category. I have done my masters in biochemistry, bachelor's in biochemistry, botany, zoology. These are the exams. These are the courses that I'm going to take up for these many exams. Yeah, IOQ, JS, NEET, NTSC, and so on. And students, if you were thinking about taking the subscription, do take right now, right away. That is before the month end, before 28th February. Do take it soon if you were thinking about subscription, because next month there is going to be the price hike. At the same time, the discount is not 10 percentage; it has been reduced to 5 percentage. Okay. Yes, later on you should be paying more money. So if you are very super duper rich, you can actually go ahead with the more money. But otherwise, like if you are the middle class, I'm a little weak in biology, so what did I do? I mean, what you should be doing? Yeah, we'll be talking about it. Yes, hi case. So now you are irritating me more by asking sorry. Enough is enough. Next. So doubt clearing sessions are also available in the category of CBSE 10th, CBSE 9th, also in the NEET and J as such. So you can send your doubts in any of these categories. And let's come to the point, that is how to make the best notes for all the exams. So I would like to know that, hi, if you want to watch, you can watch Junior Doctor series. I saw the question box, Adish. Now, how many of you want to crack NEET exam? Like, please let me know what are the exams that you want to crack. Because depending on that, I'm gonna tell you. Subhash, Mitu, Dr. Aryan, Garima Garg. Okay. Yes. NSCJS, NSEB, NEET, NTSE. Ma'am, bye, bye, bye. IIST. What is this IIST? Hi, Dia. Now, so let's get started with the CBSE 9th and CBSE 10th. Yes, Shraddha, Padma. Now, CBSE 9th and 10th students, making notes is first of all very easy for you, because half of you will be getting the handwritten notes from your teachers. Yes or no? So this problem is sorted. Yeah. This problem is sorted. Most of you are getting handwritten notes, and most of you get the free notes in the internet as well. Some of them might not be handwritten, but some of them also might be handwritten. So this is sorted. Class 9th and 10th, I won't be talking a word now, because this thing is sorted. Now coming to NTSC. Okay. It can be, okay. Hi Archana. It can be stage 1. For the stage 1, you should be having two textbooks, two set of textbook. One is your NCERT, and another one is going to be your state textbook, state syllabus textbook. Okay. So if you are, let's say Archana is studying in state syllabus school. She should be making the notes from the NCERT. because you have already studied everything that is present in the state syllabus textbooks, right? So that's why. Hi Archana. Okay. Adish, are you here? I guess Adish got offended. Okay. Hi Rupam. Now, I repeat once again. State, if you are the state, if you are the one who are studying in state syllabus, what do you say? Like, CBSE board, you have state syllabus board, right? So if you are studying in the state syllabus, you would have already studied about whatever there in the state textbooks. So please make the notes with the help of NCRT. If you are from the CBSE board, make the separate notes for NTSC stage 1, okay, from state syllabus, because equally NCRT and state textbooks are important for NTSC stage 1. Got it? Now coming to NEET exam. I'll be explaining about other things as well. Hi Ravi Kashyap, Mega HNA, Honey Bunny. Okay. Now coming to the NEET. If you are the NEET aspirants of 2023 or 2022 or anything like that, yes, Anushka Singh, Sandhita, welcome. Hello. Now, if you are the NEET aspirants of any of this year, let me tell you, please take just one textbook as the reference. Yes, only one textbook as a reference. That is your NCRT, NCERT 11th and 12th. Using Telegram to chat, join. I'll be blocking, Ravi. What is this? Recent news. What are these? What are you sharing? Huh? No. Some students are sharing something how to prepare for the NEET 2025. You mean like 2023, like after 2 years, like after 1 or 2 years, right? That's what I'm talking about. Now, listen, students, carefully listen to me. If you are NEET aspirants, take the textbook of 11th and 12th for the preparation of the notes. Whereas for NTSC stage 1, 9th and 10th standard, NCRT as well as state syllabus textbook you should be having, which is available freely in the internet. Okay. Whereas for the NEET, just these two textbooks, that is 11th and 12th, is enough. Okay. Now, actually, I'm telling the books indirectly. Okay, yeah. Now coming to your IOQJS. Later I'll be explaining about IOQB. IOQJS. You have two options. If in case, because I'm damn busy. And I don't know. I am hardly taking classes. One thing, and another thing is I was not able to find much response, but now, cause of hearing you, I might have to do something like that. Okay. I'll do that. Fun facts, no? I'll do. Now, IOQJS. For IOQJS, there are two type of students. One, one type of students, if you just want to prepare for NSCJS exam, then I would be suggesting you, I would be suggesting you um, Pearson or McGraw-Hill publication textbook, which is the foundation textbook for 9th and 10th. Okay. And if you are INJSO, if you are also concentrating on INJSO, then I would be suggesting 11th and 12th NCERT to study. Hi Prathamesh, hi Aniket, Reva, Shriyesh. Suryansh. Green screen activated long back. Prathamesh. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? I'm talking about IOQJS. Now, coming to IOQB. IOQB. You should be studying from Campbell textbook. Okay? Neat over. Yeah, neat over. Need have written here. I am just writing the textbook, students. Just now I'm writing the textbook. To make the notes, you should be having some reference. No, I'm talking about it right now. Campbell is very big, but when you start reading, you feel like, oh my god, there is nothing in Campbell because they all have given in the form of stories. They have given the explanation in the form of stories, like they have written a lot of general sentences, which is like not really you can use it for the notes. Okay, now for the IOQJS, for NSCGS Pearson 9th and 10th is enough. Okay, whereas for IOQB, Campbell textbook is must. But before it, you should have already studied 11th and 12th because it is very high level. Okay, now for INJSO, along with the 11th and 12th, it is also better to have Campbell, but it's just a choice. It is just a choice. Yes. Moving further, I guess I have told about all of the important one. Any doubt? Anyone want me to add for any other exam? IOQB, there is age criteria. Usually 10th and 11th students can write IOQB. Usually 8th and 9th standard students will be able to write IOQGS. Hrithik, Nitesh, Ritesh. Are you twins? Are you twins? Huh? Huh. Truman is also good. See, I just gave you one reference. Truman publication of you should be telling the full title of the book, no students, because Truman is publication, MTG is publication, Campbell is also publication. Like you should be saying which is like how what is the full title. Okay. That's why. That's what. Elementary biology, that is also good for IOQB, IOQGS. But you know, for all of this exam, the best thing that you should be doing is, especially for IOQGS and IOQB, sample question papers from institutes. You know, when I say institutes, you know which are those institutes. Okay, so sample question papers in the institutes you can use, or you can also KVPY NCRT. Okay, I will be able to suggest only for SA. KVPY SA I will be able to suggest KVPY, but wait for some time. Wait for some time. Wait. First of all, I should be now. How you'll be making notes? You should be having some textbook notes. That's why first I'm going to talk about the textbook and then I'll be telling about the notes. Okay, wait for some time. Either sample question paper or previous year question papers of NSEJS, INJSO in the case of IOQJS, in the case of IOQB, you know, NSEB and INBO, these PYQs. Now, apart from the PYQs, you can also get some of the international IOQJS question paper. International PYQs are available of IOQJS and IOQB. You are able to find Korea. I was able to find a free question as well as the as well as the explanation, that is the solution for IOQJS and IOQB, which was given by Korea. Okay, so such question papers are also you are able to find. So this would be the study material. Now KVPY SA I will be suggesting you 11th NCRT, something, 1 minute, and 12th NCRT. Okay. Lag. I just hate this lag. Experiencing some lag. KVPY is the fellowship exam. KVPY is the fellowship exam. Whoever want to become scientist in IISc Bangalore, okay, it is a fellowship exam. You'll be getting some amount. Ma'am, is IUQGS is international exam? Yes. I mean, IUQGS will be held in India. Like it was held in India and it was sort of national level. But also it is held in international level. So such question papers are available free in the internet. Huh. Yes, what is KPY? That's what I was saying. It is Kishore Vijnan Prayu. Somehow I cannot even pronounce it properly. So it is the exam that is being conducted in order to get some fellowship for the students whoever want to take the basic science. That is whoever want to become scientist. It is for you. Yes, Prayu, Pratyo, that's what like Yojana. That I know. Kishore Vijnan, blah 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 Yojana. Ha, Adish got offended like anything. Adish. Yes, GIF of yeast. Watching junior doctors. Ha. Lager. Ma'am, please check my biology short notes. Good, Adish. What I can say? Oh, we have a student who have made a notes. Literally. Beautiful, beautiful. Good notes. Perfect. Different colored pens. I've seen the question tab. I have also opened. You said about that I have written, I'm watching Junior Doctor series. I said, yes, good. No, I'm not able to see any more now. Why should I lie with you? Huh? Okay, Tanvi, very good notes. Now let's come to the point. Let's get started regarding how to make notes from these following difference between scholarship and fellowship. See, scholarship is like simply they are giving you money. Okay, just give me some time. Shit, yeah. So what I was saying, scholarship is they'll be giving you money. NTSC will be giving you money. That is scholarship. Fellowship is they will be giving you a stipend money. Um, that can be helped that you can use it for the research purpose. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I myself have taken. Adish, you're sending my own class screenshot. Huh? Like a kid, you're acting. It is East. Yes, it is East. East cells. KVPY SA books have, see, first of all, everyone, okay, okay, sorry, it was not in my class, but I had seen it in some way. So I thought I've used it in my class. Yeah, sorry, Adish. Now, everyone, don't talk to me. Just take the screenshot. Don't ask thousand times same question again and again. Ma'am for NTSC, ma'am for NEET, ma'am for 9, ma'am for... What is this, students? Take the screenshot. Don't ask the question again and again. That is for the notes. Don't ask anything more. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Ha, thank you. Mardhav Jain. Ha, okay, Adish. Done? Done? NTSC में सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या लिखा है? स्टेट टेक्स्ट बुक्स 9th 10th Hi, Swayam Prakash Malik. Yes, done, no? KVPSC, NCRT, 9th, 11th and 12th. Now, coming to the point, have literally made some materials. I've literally pointed out some of the things. You all are into different things. Okay. First of all, boom nahi. Everyone, the very first thing that you all have to note down is fix the time. That is, just give a particular time, maybe 1 hour, not more than that. Don't take some 3 4 hours in making notes. Don't literally spend your life in making notes, because your main goal is not just making notes. You are not a subject matter specialist, you are not a subject matter educator. We have that profile in an academy. Subject matter, they producing content is the work. You are not that people, right? Like, you do not belong to that category, you're a student. So don't make your goal as making notes. It is just the part of your study. Okay, ma'am, for the NEET also Campbell is useful last. मारो मुझे मारो students for the NEET exam 11th and 12th NCRT. Don't ask the same thing. You will be making me to cry for sure. KVPY scholarship you will be no. I don't think so. KVPY scholarship, no. KVPY scholarship you won't be getting if in case if you are doing MBBS. See, that's what scholarship is. Whatever you do, wherever you go, they will be giving you money. That is scholarship. Fellowship, KVPY is a sort of fellowship. It is a fellowship exam. It is nothing but, if you take a particular course like BSc in IISc Bangalore, they will be giving you money. If you do some random, like maybe engineering MBBS, they won't be giving you money, because it is fellowship, it is not a scholarship. Did you understand? Tanvi, you all are distracting me like anything. In between, students are sending something else in the Telegram. Now, Tanvi, I cannot come back because it was not me who have left. They themselves made me to shift to different channel. They do this. Idhar chala, udhar chala and all, they'll do. Now, thank you so much for reminding me. But if I do that, you will be running away from me. So, students, remember, just fix a particular time for, you know, to make the notes. And second thing, I would be liking to say that know your assigned reading. Now, if you start with biology, don't shift into physics. Don't shift into something else. Or again in biology, let's say if the particular concept that you're making notes, it is, let me tell you, if the chapter is reproduction, okay, don't, while making the notes, don't deviate to some other concept. Don't deviate to see, while we are studying about reproduction, some concepts of variation will be coming. Some concepts of, variation is the actual explanation of the variation you are able to see in the heredity, right? So what is going to happen is, if you write more about variation while you are making notes of heredity, you may feel like, oh, I have written that point in reproduction, so why should I write? Let me leave it. So what is going to happen is, while you will be having the exam, you will be studying reproduction chapter, and while studying reproduction, you will be like, oh, variation, this is of the next chapter, so let's study about this next, because you all are procrastinator. We human beings are good in procrastinating the things. Yeah, thinking of yourself, let's study this tomorrow, let's do this tomorrow. So cause of that behavior of us, let me include myself as well. Okay, so if you write such unrelated chapter, unrelated concept in unrelated chapter, you will skip it, and in the next chapter you will feel, oh, I have studied about it, no, I have seen it in the previous chapter, so let's skip it. That's what you will be thinking of. Yes, that is the gist of what exactly I'm trying to say. That is, know your assigned reading. That is, whatever concept that you're reading, no, make the notes of that as well. Never ever change it. Okay. Next, all the subheadings and the headings of the, let's say, in the life process chapter, if you consider, you will be able to find different subheadings, okay, along with the heading. So literally write down everything, because let's say the textbook is of 20 pages, the notes should be of 10 pages with all the important points. And why you should be writing subheading and heading? Because while you are reading the notes, you should be able to visualize your textbook. Okay, so that's why headings and subheadings is important. Yes. So this I've already told you, read one section at a time, which means don't get distracted, don't get deviated from the chapter. Another important thing I should be saying, always start from first. Okay? Start from beginning itself. Let's say that you are in class 9th. It is important to start from, to make the notes I'm talking about, it's important to start from cell and then tissues. Now, while you're making the notes, you would have already studied these chapters. So if you would have studied cells, in the tissue, you will be finding a lot of things quite easier. But if in case, if you start from tissues, you will be leaving some of the concepts, because like you wouldn't be knowing about the cells. Okay, so it is important to start right from the beginning, not in between. Now this here I have told about biology in general. Hi Muskan, hi Swayam. Also, if you consider with the, I guess you will be following this, I need not tell this, right? Like you know about it. Now, okay. Huh. Now how to make the notes, like how to increase the quality, or how to make it attractive. I've told this multiple times. Hi Ayush and Maria. Now the first question you will be asking me, ma'am, what is the importance of attractive notes? In a very simple way, if you want to understand, girls especially, you know, we love shopping. I mean, like now you cannot think about shopping, but if in case if you're going along with your mom, like along with your parent, if you see some attractive doll, or if you see some attractive earring, you feel like going towards it. Same way, notes, if in case if notes is horrible, if in case if notes are made up of pencil and simple pen, you don't feel like opening it. But if in case if you have done some flowers, if you have beautified it, okay, you feel like, you know, literally at least opening it. So that's why it is important to make the attractive notes. Now how to make attractive notes? Definitely use different color codes. That is, remember always for all the examples, let's say you can use blue color. Examples always blue color. You know, something like that you will be able to, or it's better to do. And next important thing, let's say for all the definition, you can use yellow color. See, this is very vague example I'm giving you, and also I'm going to tell you scientifically how it is going to help you. And I tell you to decorate anywhere? How to make attractive notes? Color codes I'm talking about. Example, definition, particular color I'm just assigning. You can use this, or you can use some different color as well. Now black I could have written, but black ink is not there, no. And definition, example. Then what else you need? Pink you can. Huh. This is the most important thing that you should be knowing. And drawings pencil you'll be using. So let me tell you what exactly happens when you do. Hi, okay, Archana, different Archana. Now when you do this, Your brain will be characteristics are pink. Your brain will be the subconscious that is present in your mind, that is present in your brain, that will be trained to always remember in the colors. Especially in the case of girls, but also it is going to happen in the boys. See, we all will be impressed. We all like different colors, right? Yes or no? Don't you like different colors? That's why in an academy, you are able to see pink, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple, white colored inks. So that you like color. We all like color. We will be getting impressed cause of colors. Yeah. So the reason for me saying about using different color code is when we use a particular color for different things, cause of the color we will be remembering the concept better. Let's say if always if I would have written definition in let's say in black color, I will be able to think, okay, now I've forgotten the concept. So let's think about it. Okay, in the page I have seen the definition was sort of very big. Okay, what it can be. In this way you are able to remember the things. Okay, that's why using different color is very important. I'm not asking you to buy some sketch pens and big things. Just with the 3-4 colors, maximum 4 colors are enough. Now, this is about the color code. And next, coming to use doodles or shapes or diagrams. Now, you all will be, not all, many of you would be saying, Ma'am, I'm not good in drawing. Ma'am, I'm not good in this. I'm not, listen to me. If you aren't good in doodles means, you know, some smileys or something like this, some sort of funny drawings is doodles. Let me tell you how I used to make my notes. I never had anyone to say this is how you should be making the notes, but I myself liked drawing, like that not normal type of drawing of sceneries and all. I had very bad habit of um writing in my other classmates or friends notes. So when me and my friends, when we were sitting, I simply used to write a smiley, okay, in the corner of the note. No, this is the story of MSc masters. So also in the reply my friend used to do the same thing. So she used to write something like this in another corner. Cause of all these small things I used to do during the class, I know it is a little bad, I know, but since it was present in my notes, even though if I forget what exactly been written, no, in the notes, during the exam, while I was trying to recollect the things, I used to, oh, I have drawn this particular image, like we did this particular thing in our notes in this particular teacher's class, and the topic was this, this is how there is a connection. So small drawings, small doodles. So forget about the doodles, because many of you will say, Ma'am, I don't know to draw and all. I'm bad in drawing. It's okay. While you're marking something, use different shapes. Use some bubble like this, or use something like this. Yeah, right here, right in bubble. Are you understanding? Such things you can do now. Use a square, use a rectangle, use a spherical structures. So this is how you are able to remember the things, and also you can use different colored structures like this. Okay. Yes. And next things. So these are the flower flow charts too. Yeah. I was about to talk about that as well. Now, flow chart, mind map. These are very easy to write like this. It's very easy to write. Yeah. Do flow chart, do mind map. But the difficult part comes when you start doing it. You will take literally a lot of time to make such. Oh, you're not able to see, no? Because of chroma activation, some colors have been, oh, green color will appear black. Okay. You have already. Okay, okay. Now let me tell you, I've done a flow chart. I might have shown this multiple times. I have taken some 2 hours. Yeah, you won't believe me. I've taken some 1.5, more than one for sure, to just to write this one paper flow chart. It's very hard to make flow chart, but once you have it, no, for your lifetime it is enough. Now, whenever I'm explaining about genetic disease, the 1 hour class, I have it in my one paper. Okay, my 1 hour, sorry, not 1 hour. This I can teach this particular concept in 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. My 3 hours class, I have everything in my one page. This is the power of flowchart, which will be literally taking a lot of time. I've told you, I've taken 1.5 to 2 hours, I guess, so to just make this. Okay, but once you have it, see, now you may ask me, ma'am, please give me please give the flowchart that you have made. No, it's very bad to copy someone's flowchart because I have written in some sequence. My mind will be collecting the things in that sequence. Your mind, your brain might be collecting the things in some other sequence. So it's very important to make your own mind map. Hi Vikrant, Devank, because you have different mind. My mind is different, your mind is different. Okay, so that's why I suggest you to make your own notes, your own mind map, your own flow chart, not copy others. But if in case if you're following someone's notes and if you really like, and it's like the friendship. Let's say now Prathamesh and Viraj. Prathamesh and Viraj are best friends. Whatever Prathamesh feels, even if he do not say, Viraj is able to make out like what exactly he feels, because you have sort of gelling. You have a sort of a friendship, and more than that, you will be have a rapport, good rapport between you. Same way, it is important to have a good rapport between somebody else notes and you, if in case if you want to follow someone's notes. Okay. Now, quickly, let me tell you the things that you should be avoiding while making the notes. That is writing too little or too much. This is the mistake. Many of you will be feeling like, oh, this sentence is important, this sentence is important. Literally, you will be at the end of the day, you will be literally writing all the sentences that is present in the textbook. That is very bad. Same way, some of you who are like really, lazy sort of people, they will feel, oh, this is not important, let's skip this. Ultimately, you will be ending up in just writing the headings and subheadings. That is once again bad. So try avoiding to write too little and too much. And second important thing I would like to say is copying the notes. Copying someone's notes blindly, that too, if in case if a person would have done a mistake like this, you also write the same thing and scratch it. That is horrible. Please never ever. First of all, you will be getting to know what exactly to write if in case if you would have seen some question paper. Okay. And even if they have given everything, you just have to write the words. Example, let me just give you some example. That is about Monera. If they have written like they have primitive nucleus, that is why it can be called as prokaryotes. If in case if they have written something like this, they are also unicellular. Now this particular paragraph, everyone listen. This particular paragraph I'm just writing in one sentence. You know how? Monera unicellular prokaryote sorry, like there is a lag, that's why I'm not able to write fast. Cause of, it will take some time to be proper. When I'm charging, it is like primitive nucleus. Yeah, this much is enough. I have literally written this two sentences in just one sentence. Monera, primitive nucleus, prokaryote, yes, that's how you can write an. Got it. Next. The last thing I would be liking to say is the last thing I can also say this is the last whole paragraph covered. Yes, absolutely, whole paragraph is covered. The last thing I would be liking to say, that is the mistakes to avoid. Making notes while watching TV, mobile, in a simple way when you are distracted. Never ever do this. You know, one reason watching lectures, that is the best. You know, let me tell you. Um, I was not a topper in my masters, but I might have got second rank. Like they just give importance to just first rank in masters, like they don't give like second rank. But I was able. You won't believe if I say everyone used to take the printout from the different textbook. Everyone used to literally take the book, read the book, and write notes from that book. You know what I used to do? You may feel, ma'am, your handwriting is horrible, but my handwriting has become horrible because of writing the things very fast. I was a very fast writer. So if you're saying something, I'll be able to write everything possible that whatever you have told. Okay, that fast I was in writing. So cause of it, I had literally used to take down everything that used to be told by the teacher during the lecture. So if you have the habit of writing down when somebody is like teaching, that is the best habit, because you will be literally taking down everything that is being told by the teacher. And that will be making you to take 100 percentage, if not 100, at least 90 percentage of the knowledge from this teacher. For example, when I'm teaching, I won't be simply orienting myself about let's say I'm teaching for NTSC stage 1. No, not NTSC, NEET. Let me say I'll be teaching for NEET. While I'm teaching for the NEET 2023, that is with the help of NCRT 11th or 12th, I will be also saying some of the extra things. If you would have written that extra things, cause of having the habit of writing the things during the class, you will be literally take down all the knowledge from me. Okay, you will be able to experience, like cause of writing the notes during the lecture. No, you will be having the notes. Okay, made by yourself in a very short duration of time, in a one shot. Okay, so if you have that habit, please continue. But while watching some other videos, let's say some entertainment videos, or while texting someone, if you want to make the notes, avoid it, because you won't be getting any benefit out of the notes that you make. That is the one problem of doing this. At the same time, you would be writing something that is not right. You would be writing the wrong explanation. There is chance of doing this. Okay. This is from your, this is good only. It's better to use some color pens, like, color pens, like, some other color as well. Okay. If possible. If not, that's also okay. My class notes only it is. Yes. So that's all for today, students. Let's meet in the coming class. If you haven't taken the subscription, do take classical music. It's VR live. Please don't mislead Prathamesh. It is this VR, not WE. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I just told you how to prepare. Complete your 9th and 10th and then start preparing the notes from 11th and 12th and then study. That's it. 11th, 12th NCRT should be your Bible. Yes, prices are increasing from the next month. While listening to classical music, you can study, but you shouldn't be thinking about, there are some people while they are studying, they want music. Also, there are some people, if they have music, they will be singing and they won't be able to study. So if you are the B, if you are belonging to the that particular second group where you will be also singing while you are listening, then please don't continue that habit of making notes while listening to music. Okay. Yes, so this is the increased price, but this is the previous price. And this month itself, it's quite important to take the subscription because next month there is going to be the hike, as you know. 100% silence. Then go ahead with that only. Make sure that your surroundings are silent. So that's all for today. You are in class 10th, no? Wait for 3 more months. What you will do after having 3 months? You won't be able to study for the NEET, no? You will be having the board exam, na? Ha. There won't be like a lot of hike. Just 1,000, I guess. So in NEET, I don't know. In NEET, I don't know. I'm talking about this. Just make sure. Huh. According to me, it is important to take a little bit time. Okay, yeah. Bye bye. You can use my code while taking the subscription. Bye bye. Good night.